The Fine Art of Small Talk: How to Start a Conversation, Keep It Going, Build Networking Skills, and Leave a Positive Impression. Deborah Fine. Do you avoid small talk because you find it intimidating or lacking in value? If so, The Fine Art of Small Talk is your ticket to conversational success. According to Deborah Fine, small talk is a skill well worth developing because our careers, romantic prospects, and social lives depend on connecting with other people. Indeed, it's difficult to succeed socially without small talk because it establishes the emotional tone of our interactions and helps us gauge how deeply we'd like to connect with each other. In this guide, we'll walk you through Fine's small talk tips and her ideal conversational process step by step, from first introduction to exiting the conversation, teaching you everything you need to appear confident and engaging in any context. We'll also compare Fine's ideas to those of other communications experts, for instance, Dale Carnegie, and weave in psychological research that sheds light on the mechanics of communication. Learn how to break the ice with strangers, keep a conversation going, and avoid the most common conversational pitfalls, in a way anyone can follow.